Unite for Sight is a nonprofit global health delivery organization that has promoted high-quality healthcare since 2000. 100% of all donations are used to provide patient care in some of the poorest areas of the world. Through 2014, Unite for Sight and its partner local doctors have provided care for 1.9 million patients living in poverty, including nearly 90,000 sight-restoring surgeries. Students and professionals are invited to join trained fellows and volunteers who have participated with Unite for Sight and made a difference in the world. Our Global Impact Corps Volunteer Abroad program offers a hands-on, immersive, and unique global health educational program and experience in Ghana, Honduras, and India. You will learn firsthand from the patients and local doctors about barriers to care and effective healthcare delivery strategies for the hardest-to-reach patients who are living in poverty in villages, slums, and refugee camps. Volunteer for any length of time, ranging from 1 week or 1 month to a full year. Options include a 1-week program in Ghana or 10 days or more in our Global Impact Corps in Ghana, Honduras, or India.
So one memorable lesson that I learned while I was working with Unite for Sight actually came from a local doctor, and it was Dr. Seth Wanye. And Dr. Seth Wanye is actually one of the only ophthalmologists who performs cataract surgeries in northern Ghana. And I just believe that he embodies everything that Unite for Sight stands for. It's the idea of community-based healthcare, giving back to the community, and also understanding the local environment that you're working in. So he's definitely an important figure, and he's definitely influencing me to this day.
I think going on this trip, it'll help me be aware if I'm actually providing help or not when I eventually hopefully do fulfill this goal of incorporating global health medicine into my actual career.
We consider it an honor and privilege to have the opportunity to work with phenomenal local medical professionals. Our Global Impact Fellows learn from these incredible doctors who are not only talented in the medical field, but are also social entrepreneurs dedicated to bringing lasting change to their communities.
Really work with the system that's already in place in India. Dr. Seth, completely amazing guy. He does so much for that community, and it was really a rewarding experience to be able to work with him and learn from him and help him out in all of the amazing things that he's doing.
On a daily basis, our clinic partners examine, diagnose, and treat between 100 and 300 patients. Our fellows, both students and professionals, support and assist the local doctors with all aspects of the healthcare delivery, ranging from patient intake to distributing glasses and medication prescribed by the local doctors.
My favorite thing about Unite for Sight was how useful I felt when I was in Ghana. At the end of Unite for Sight's pre-departure trainings, I really felt prepared for anything that I was going to encounter in Ghana.
The thing I liked best about Unite for Sight was the fact that I felt like I was part of a long-term program. In other programs, at least from things I've heard from friends, they usually go abroad for 2 weeks and they don't necessarily feel like they did anything that could last for a long time. But when you go abroad for Unite for Sight, even if you're there for only a week, you really feel like you're contributing to something that's well established and that's stable, and not just something that's gonna be gone by the time you leave.
Everything was like a well-oiled machine to make sure that the whole process was as efficient and effective as possible, and that we were able to help as many people as possible as well. But I think what's most unique about the Unite for Sight experience is that even though volunteers are constantly coming and going, the Zoe Clinic is always there, and they're always have new programs and continuing the same program that are going on with volunteers, like when I was there. So for example, Victor, who's the traveling optometrist, I'm pretty confident he's out in some rural community right now setting up eye exams.
We've had the privilege of working with truly remarkable fellows who contribute their talents and enthusiasm to the amazing work being done by our local partner doctors. Our fellows come from a variety of backgrounds and expertise, including those who are interested in global health, medicine, social entrepreneurship, NGO management, and development. Our participants range in age from 18 to senior citizens. We also have high school students who participate with their parents in the program.
We volunteered as a family because I really wanted to go, and I'm not 18 yet, so I dragged my mom along, and now she's thanking me for it.
I am. I think it was a fun experience for both of us, so I'm glad we did it.
Please join our Global Impact Corps for the experience of a lifetime.